At your next brunch, make these shortcut chicken and waffles with spicy maple glaze. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees. Spray Member's Mark nonstick olive oil on a baking sheet. Place the desired amount of chicken strips on the prepared baking sheet and cook for 10 minutes. Toast or bake the waffles according to the package instructions. To make the spicy maple glaze, start with 1 cup of Member's Mark organic pure maple syrup in a saucepan. Then add 1 cup of Member's Mark clover honey, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of Member's Mark chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Member's Mark garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Member's Mark onion powder, 1 teaspoon of Member's Mark paprika, 1 teaspoon of Member's Mark ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of Member's Mark organic ground cayenne pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of Member's Mark sea salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of liquid smoke. Whisk to combine and bring to a simmer. Turn heat to low and cook for about 5 minutes. For a single serving, place 1 waffle on a plate and drizzle with some maple glaze. Then, place 2 to 3 chicken strips on the waffle and top with more glaze. Now, your brunch is complete with this sweet and spicy treat.